vura vura hakuna mapublic toilets hakuna masewage ongoramba achituka.
Hello guys, I'm Maggie and today I'm in the field. I'm in Harare City Central. I want to find out the value of my money. You see here, I have $20 US. This is my money today. But I want to find out, is it really equal to $20 or is it more or is it less? Because Zvinongo Chinja-Chinja, I'm confused. How much do I have? What is the value of my bill today? So I'm going to go and try and buy around town with this bill. How much do they say I have today? Because Zvinongo Chinja-Chinja. So I'm going to ask you to come with me as I try and buy with a $20 bill. So not to say 20 years. 37. You can hear ego cash. Saka with the GB.
Yeah, 85%.
85. So 85%. That's spent. What is that? $20. Nanzi 38 in the moment. 36. 38. Yeah, I'm $20 in one of us.
$20 later, $36.
My bond. When I go get
$50.
40. So can I have my $5? I share 20. Same.
$5 I'm sure one of my $16. My $5 is my house. I end up Mozambique. I end up.
That's okay. I don't have $5 is my name. Is it? Mune not Okon. Omne shit. I was not on any other. Pizza. They got it by casket to later, man. 60. And then you never find it out by 20 change my 22. The guy would make a thing and spend $22. And $2 on my dollars.
Yes, which one are 36 but
$20. When I go get
and I take a push one of foods.
But Max and that one's 38 or
how much 38?
When I'm on ticket, but not. I can't say I'm trying I see the reverse. $20.
$20 on $36.
Can I go to Tenga?
The thing is, 38 or 39. 38 or 38.50.
You live business, I guess.
Yeah. Should I go?
What's in the name? Sure, I can go to
$500. Hey, ndakatobva ndaibva kushandira kusiya basi. Ndakatosiyawo basi ndashandira kushanda I've almost 2 weeks.
What if I saw no one
As you see, total $500 per day. Ndokumirira mari pamwe imechiita pazuva iyo 300 inobva ndaita pazuva mumwe obva aishandira kubva kusvika
Pamusa
26
one
days
kusvika mwedzi wese apo munhu ari kuikloka pazuva kana kutopfuura.
ndo zviri different basi saka pazuva auzomboshayi mari nokuti uite cool.
So most of these money changers are females, as you've just seen yourself. But I managed to meet one guy, a male money changer, and he actually left his job in Botswana and came back to Zimbabwe to be a money changer because it's more profitable. I gotta say his day job because he clocks about $300 a day, and on a good day he says he makes maybe $500. Imagine. Because people are making money out there. People are buying cars. The value of my $20 bill changes 3 times a day. 3. It can be more, it can be less. And some shops on it's 1:1. And you're one and go, 1:1. Panzaba, and this is 36 bond. What would you do? Well,